everyone, thank you all for tuning in. Today we are going to be juicing just 2 ingredients. You won't believe what these 2 ingredients can do in your body. These can keep the flus, the cold and sicknesses away from you. If you take these, you'll be glad you did. And these ingredients are lemon and ginger. Very simple. This can be taken in the mornings. Lemon, as we all know, it keeps the mouth clean and eliminates bad odors. If you don't know that, lemon juice taken in the morning aids in digestion and flushes out unwanted toxins from the body. Lemon is a natural diuretic. It increases rate of urination, balances the pH, it energizes and enhances your mood. The scent of lemon can enhance your mood. Even lemon helps with skin care when it's been mixed with a little bit of honey. And then we're talking about ginger. Ginger is anti-inflammatory. Ginger is also antimicrobial, antiviral, and it's a natural antibiotics. Ginger helps you to fight against cold and flu, and it boosts your immune system. When someone falls ill, your speedy recovery determines how your immune system is. If your immune system is low, your sickness lasts longer. But if your immune system is very solid, then you recover quickly. I know you can't wait to just grab this from your fridge or from your kitchen, or even if you don't have it, just stock your refrigerator up with these 2 ingredients and you'll be glad you did. I'm telling you. Just stay on this for as long as possible. Every morning, cleanse your system with this before you eat. So the moment you see those symptoms, those flu and cold symptoms coming, just quickly shut it down with these 2 ingredients. It's now juiced. I juiced both together. I already strained it, as you have seen when I was juicing it. I'm just going to pour this into a bottle and just save it up for later use. Okay, but for now, I'm just going to be taking a little shot. Like you see that, I'm pouring it into that little glass, and then it helps me to even drink it easily, nicely. After taking this, I'll put the remaining in the refrigerator. It can last for up to a week or 2. And when it finishes, I'll make another one. So I hope this has helped somebody. If you don't have this in your kitchen, go to the shop and shop for more lemons and ginger. Juice them together and have fun. God bless you. Thank you all for tuning in and for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.